Hey guys, another day, another reselling Q&A. My hair is wet right now. I don't think I've ever filmed with wet hair before. This is the first. All right, you guys ready? This is gonna be a juicy one, okay? For those of you that like the juice and the juice, yeah. Can we spill some like juice instead of tea? I don't like tea. I don't like tea and I don't like coffee. I feel like that's so weird. I'm like an alien because I don't like coffee. People are like, you don't drink coffee? You have 5 kids and you don't drink coffee? I'm like, I don't, because coffee makes me poop. And guys, I keep it real. Yeah, I don't like it, and I don't like the way it makes me feel. Like, I just don't like coffee. So we're spilling some juice now, some orange juice instead of some tea, okay? First question, this is random. I'm trying to purchase a boutique item from a posher, but different sizes of the same item. Can't figure out how to do it. I've asked them to make a listing for me, but the seller doesn't reply. Okay, so when you are trying to purchase multiple sizes of the same item, you either have to do it in 2 separate purchases or the seller has to make like a whole other listing, and then you could add that to a bundle. Unfortunately, Poshmark doesn't allow you to choose like a small and a medium of the same shirt, like a multi-quantity listing. It doesn't allow you to choose like a small and a medium and you can purchase them both together. You have to do, like I said, 2 separate transactions, or they can make one of them into a bundle and you can do it that way. That's annoying that the seller isn't replying. Like, I don't understand it. Like, people selling on Poshmark, I get it if you're like a hobby seller, you know, and you don't know that people can talk to you, I guess. You just want to get on there and sell shit. But for people that are like resellers and they don't reply to people, it's like, what do you, it's annoying. Next question. I don't know how to get a message to you, so I'll share this on here. I lost a return case because the buyer claimed that when she went to pull out the jeans, the belt loops ripped out. She claimed the fabric was rotted and that's why the fabric ripped, and Posh honored it. Guys, rotten fabric is now a claim. Beware. What's to keep any return from being honored? I'm really disgusted that this claim was honored. That sucks, honestly. Poshmark, I feel like 95% of the time will side with the buyer. I mean, did you get to comment on the case? Did you get to say like, hey, you know, the jeans were fine when I mailed them out, you know, maybe something happened during shipping? I'm curious to know more info, like if you got to say your part or if Poshmark just honored it. I've been scammed a few times on Poshmark. Recently on Instagram. That was fucking ridiculous. I made some stories about it. Some of you guys probably saw the stories, but yeah, basically I bought something from a reseller on Instagram. She just sells on Instagram. She doesn't sell on Poshmark. And like, I bought something from her. I Venmo'd her, which is a big I'm gonna make a whole separate video talking about scams and how to like try to avoid them. If you're gonna buy something from someone online, use PayPal because they have like buyer protection. Venmo and what's the other one? Cash App. They don't have like buyer protection because they say that their purchases are like friends and family. They don't do like business transactions. So there's really no protection. So I paid on Venmo. It was for a t-shirt. It was $15. So, you know, not a lot of money, like not a lot of money to me. But yeah, I purchased it and I didn't hear from her for almost a week. And so I messaged her. I'm like, hey, you know, what's going on? It's kind of a long story. I'll go into more detail about it. But basically, I didn't hear from her. And then I was like, hey, I want a refund. She's like, oh, I don't do refunds. She's like, no, you need to pay for shipping. I'm like, I don't want the fucking shirt anymore. Refund me. And so, yeah, she won't refund me. And because she's being a little twit about it, I am doing a chargeback like through my bank. Like, Venmo was no help. They're like, no, it was a friends and family purchase. Again, don't do transactions through Venmo. There's no buyer protection. So yeah, so I'm doing a chargeback through my bank. So I'm gonna get my $15 back. Like, I would have just let it go. Like I said, she's being a little snot about it. So yeah, but I'll talk more about it in my scams video. But anyway, to answer your question, yeah, that sucks. That really sucks. Rotted fabric. Like, I think you would have noticed that, you know, before sending it out. But like I said, unfortunately, Poshmark will, majority of the time, side with the buyer. So that's frustrating. Okay, next question. Have you heard about the new selling platform that Urban Outfitters started? It's called Newly. So I had a couple of you guys actually message me on Instagram and tell me like, hey, check this out. And I briefly looked at it and then I tried to download it, but I don't know if the app is out yet. When I downloaded it, it wanted to charge me something like $80 a month to rent things. Like, I don't know if the app's out yet. I need to do more research, but yes, I did hear about it. You know, they're trying to compete with Poshmark is what like the article said, which I don't think like that's kind of going to be difficult to do. But yeah, I need to do more research about it and then I will definitely let you guys know my thoughts once I know more about it. Okay, next question. This person I'm just going to address this very briefly. This person basically sent me a message telling me that they know who the person is that has been making videos about me, and yeah, so that's just, it's hilarious. I know who you are. You're a loser. Just stop. Just find something more productive and better to do with your life. I really didn't do anything to you. All I did was talk about your public conversation to Nicole State, which you used my name. I didn't use your name. I didn't call you out. Nobody knows who you are. Do that if you want to, because now I know who you are, although you're not worth it. But I did just want to let you know, the person that's making videos about me, I know who you are, and you need to just get a life. Just go outside, do something productive. Next one isn't a question, but I did want to address this. Somebody sent me a message. It says, Nicole State is back. She's back, but only on her weekly newsletter, desperate for money, trying to sell her reseller planner. She claims that it'll make you more sales. Effing ridiculous. Okay, thank you. She's for sure going to say that it's pre-written or whatever. What are your thoughts? I want to talk about this because I do think that this is a little crazy. She hasn't been making YouTube videos. She is active on her Poshmark closet because that's like her source of income. She's not going to stop doing that. She still needs to make money. So she's been active on Poshmark this whole time. But she deleted her Instagram. I think it's still deleted. But yeah, she has like a weekly email thing. I don't know. They sent me screenshots of it. It's fucking... but yeah, she's promoting her reseller planner. She's got a reseller planner. It's not like a yearly planner. She releases them by quarters, which is absolutely like asinine. Like, who would buy a planner just for like 1 quarter of the year? That's such a fucking waste of money. I guess she's like on her email list telling people like, hey, Q4, buy my planner. She claims that her planner will help you make more sales, which don't buy into that bullshit, guys. Just don't do it. You don't need a planner to make you more sales. So yeah, she's back trying to get your money, trying to get you to buy a 1 quarter planner. Like, who? I think that just shows like the type of person that she is. She still hasn't addressed this issue with the merch. The merch. Is it called the merch or is it called merch? I don't know. Either way, it's a what kind of name. But anyway, yeah, it just says what kind of person she is because she hasn't addressed that. She's like remained quiet. She was so like anxious to take everyone's money, but when shit went bad, like, she's silent now, but she's still like, hey, come buy my planner, come spend more money with me. So yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know that I see that she's back again, trying to take your money, not addressing her wrongs at all. So yeah, I just want to address that. I am like done talking about her, but if she does say her piece, you can absolutely be certain that I will tell you guys my opinion on it, because I don't know, I feel like I'm not just gonna leave you guys hanging. I've gotten some comments from you guys saying like, stop talking about her and get back to your regular videos, and I have done that. But again, if something like this comes up, or if she, you know, comes out with like her statement, her official statement, like, she's not fucking Beyonce. She doesn't need a fucking statement. She doesn't, no. Anyway, if she comes out with a statement, then yes, I will definitely tell you guys my opinion on it. That is it for this video. I hope I answered your questions. If you have any other questions, you can comment down below, send me a DM on Instagram, or tweet me on Twitter. If you're new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. It is KeepinItRad. You get a $10 credit, and I also get a $10 credit, so thank you. That's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video.